Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here. I know it feels like we just set this up, but it's time to move it again. The pile that was behind me was probably 60 cord, give or take. I'm down to about 4 or 5. The neighbor needs that for boiler wood, so I don't have to screen that through the cleaner or put it up on the conveyor at all. So we're just gonna go ahead and just back the processor up to the pile and load it nice and easy. So while I'm in the process of moving, I'll show you a couple of things here with the processor itself. Right, so what we're gonna end up doing is the big pile back there, it's probably 120 cord, so that's ultimately where I want the processor to go. It'll actually go the processor tongue, the processor conveyor, the cleaner, and then coming this way would be the conveyor. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get a measurement from the pivot point underneath the conveyor and what it is out here to this so I can recreate that radius. We'll just take a string line and some spray paint and remark all that kind of stuff out. The wheel kit on the cleaner is going to be awesome because we'll just put a hitch plate here underneath the tongue on the cleaner to pull that around on the wheel kit so I don't have to worry about going in through the fork pockets. Now, I haven't moved the processor in probably 30 or 40 cord, but I cheat because there's outriggers on this. So I can pick this thing way up off the ground, and it makes it really easy for getting underneath there to clean it all up. So we have the outriggers fully extended. Just the ones on the log loader are down in the front. So wheels are probably 18 inches off the ground, give or take. So we'll get the rake and the shovel, get all that stuff pulled out of there just so we're not puncturing any lines or dragging anything. We'll get the conveyor folded back up and stored and get the cleaner out of the way, get it close to that pile back there, and we'll do this all over again. Yes, I know you're asking, did he just use his mini excavator to move that? The answer is yes. Why? Because this has 6,000 pounds worth of hitch weight on it because of the log loader. And surprisingly, the E60 with the backfill blade picks it up. So there's this nifty little crinkle in the backfill blade that holds the pintle ring just perfect. And the Toolcat won't budget. Definitely the MT won't budget. The S300's in the shop getting the 2-speed fix. So here we are. Yes, the telehandler would move it, I guess, but the mini excavator is just different. So that's what we did. So now I'm going to put the big debris bucket on and scoop all this debris away and go from there. All right, and that is why I love my Bobcat Toolcat. It's quick, it's easy, pretty comfortable too. I parked this here because this sawdust pile is absolutely insane, and it's tough to put it into perspective unless there's something around it. 1 gallon jug of bar and chain oil, the Toolcat, and then halfway through the cleanup video there, I pushed my wedges out of the way. So if you ever want to know what about $6,000 in wedges look like, yeah, that would be a 4-way, a 10-way, a 6-way, and an 8-way, and then in the unit is the 12-way. So just one processor with about $6,000 or $7,000 worth of wedges. Pretty crazy. All right, well, I gotta call it quits as much as I want to run some wood in the back of this. My 14-year-old son's being promoted tonight at CAP, Civil Air Patrol. It's an auxiliary of the Air Force for youth, so I gotta go down there and actually pin him. And he worked hard for his promotion, so I gotta go down and be a part of that for sure, and show some encouragement there. But if we can earn your business with the sales quote, it's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com, and would love to earn your business with the sales quote. All of our videos are not a paid promotion by the manufacturer. This is a marketing tool to reach you, the customer, to get our phone to ring, not theirs. Love them to death, but we're in business too. I got 5 kids to feed, one's off at college, so we'd love to earn your business, so hit me on that phone number, shoot me an email at sales@shaverequipment.com. We can get you a price, anything from the Halversons to the SplitForce to the Brute Force, just all the stuff that you see on the channel on a regular basis. The firewood bags are over on the website, shaverequipment.com. But like I said, would love to earn your business with the sales quote. Love to talk to you, figure out a personalized quote on whatever it is, and make the product meet your budget and explain all the different options and stuff so you can be as productive as possible. And we'll take it from there, folks. But We're always working hard to be lazy. We'll set this up now, show you the video later on probably Saturday. I'll get some time, weather pending, to actually fill the mason dump. So we'll take it from there. Actually, I should say we'll leave it here, and then we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.